You see two glasses of clear liquid side by side. Both look identical, crystal clear, refreshing. But one is your basic H2O. The other, that's D₂O or heavy water. Now what makes it heavy? It's simple. Instead of ordinary hydrogen, each molecule packs a heavier version, deuterium. That little atomic swap might seem minor, but it changes everything about how this water acts inside your body. So, what actually happens if you take a sip? At first, honestly, nothing much. Heavy water tastes almost the same and feels no different going down. But here's the twist. If you kept drinking it, glass after glass, things can get weird. Inside your body, heavy water starts trading places with the regular stuff in your cells. Where you'd normally have light, nimble hydrogen atoms holding your DNA together, you now get the beefy, slow-moving deuterium. That swap messes with the delicate dance of cell division, metabolism, and even the way your proteins fold. Imagine your body's inner machinery grinding to a sluggish, awkward halt. But don't freak out over a single sip. The real danger comes at scale. If you replaced about 25% to 50% of your body's total water with heavy water, and we're talking liters and liters here, you'd be in big trouble. Cells stop dividing right, organs get damaged, your metabolism breaks down, keep going, and honestly, it's fatal. So yeah, it's water, but you'd never want it in your glass at dinner. But why does heavy water even exist? Is it just nature's prank? Not quite. Heavy water is a scientific powerhouse. In fact, it's used in nuclear reactors to slow down neutrons and keep chain reactions humming along. It's rare, pricey, and crucial for certain types of science and energy. But inside you, it's a slow, sneaky saboteur. So would you ever dare take a sip just out of curiosity? I know I wouldn't. If you just learned something new and bizarre, hit like and subscribe for more science surprises. And let me know in the comments, would you ever taste heavy water? Or is that just a deadly sip too far?